How to set up Snapchat parental controls. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will see how we can set up Snapchat parental controls. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device. And make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, tap on your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. From your account page, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Here, scroll down and find Family Center. Here, Family Center feature in Snapchat is available for the users who is at least 25 years old or must be at least 25 years old or greater or older than 25 years old to create a Family Center account. And you can only be able to add the children under this group who are under the age of 18. So if you are eligible for that criteria, tap on Family Center. But if you are not at the age of 25 or more than 25, you will land on this kind of page. But if you are 25 or more than 25, you will land on the next page where you can proceed to create a parental center account. There, you will land on the page where you have the continue button. So tap on continue. Now, you can create a Family Center account by adding the teen account under that account. So, from the list, you can simply select the teen or the children account that you want to add, or you can simply search for a specific Snapchatter. Once you have selected that, now you have to send the invitation to that account. So tap on send invitation. Once you're done with that, now the child account has to review the invitation and must accept the invitation. After that, now you can monitor your child account Snapchat activity. So for that, all you have to do is simply tap on the search icon and then search for Family Center in the search bar. Then tap on the search results that comes up and then you will be able to view your child friendlies. You can review their activity. You can see the list of your child friends and anyone they have added. You will get insight into your child's recent interaction, although specific message content may not be shown on list flagged. And also you can check if your child is sharing any snap stories or other content that you need to monitor. You can also approve or decline friend requests your child receives as well. So that's the way to set up parental control on Snapchat, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.